Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a good day. While deep cleaning the house with my mom, I found this old and broken lamp in a storage room and I remembered how many times I was going to throw it away. At first I was going to restore it as a lamp, but it was in a very rough shape and was missing some parts, so I dropped the idea quickly. The shape of the piece gave me the inspiration, and it did not lose its original purpose. After deciding what to make, it was the question what effect I wanted the piece to have. I was looking for inspiration for a stone coffee table, and beautiful slab of marble popped in my feed. I knew I wanted the piece to have the coloring and the effect of the marble. I was wondering if you like the way I'm filming my videos, if you like how I'm doing the voiceovers or editing the video. Please let me know in the comments about your likes and dislikes. I'm trying to improve my video quality, so I'm open to any suggestions. To achieve the marbling effect, I had to cover the vibrant pink color first. I used white spray paint, but it was too shiny, so I painted over it. The paint I used was different from the ones I usually use. It was thicker and brush strokes almost disappeared after drying. To achieve the marbling effect, I used watered down paint to draw the veins. Then I smudged them with paper towel to achieve softer color. I darkened some veins where I wanted them to pop. I'm using gold, green and gray color combination, but you can use any color you want. Please let me know if you have any preferences for future videos. The final result is better than I expected it to be. I did not glue two pieces together because I wanted to have the choice to use them together or separately. Please comment below what project would you like me to tackle next. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to your feedback in the comments. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye!